Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ESR Air Armor. It's a clear case with HaloLock. It's compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro. It's an awesome case. Military grade protection. It supports magnetic charging, gel-ring resistant, and a hard back. And the finish is clear. You can see everything of your iPhone through that case. It looks really nice, really. Have a look here, it looks awesome. And it works, as you can see, because it's MagSafe compatible with, for example, charging, or it's compatible with other devices like wallet as well. It's designed especially for the iPhone 13 Pro, but also you can connect an iPhone 12 to it, of course, or an 12 Pro or an 13. But it will not protect the other devices so much as an iPhone 13 Pro because of the camera dimensions. And of course, in the iPhone 12 version, the volume up and volume down buttons are not at the really not on the same page. On the same page, of course, but not on the same location. To provide easy and fast place and go wireless charging that is fully compatible with MagSafe. It comes with a strong magnetic lock, 36 strong built-in magnets, ensure a secure lock with any MagSafe-style chargers or accessories. And we have a military-grade drop protection. The air guard corners ensure a 35 military-grade drop protection for our iPhone 13 Pro, 6.1 inches. We're keeping it safe from just about anything life throws at us. And screen and camera protection. The raised screen edges and the ESR's exclusive camera guard lens frame design help protect our screen and camera from scratches. And touch acrylic back, 3 times more scratch resistant than polycarbonate and resist gel-ring to keep our phone looking clean and fresh. And cool too. But what is MagSafe? MagSafe is a series of proprietary magnetically attached power connectors for Macs in the past, and of course today too. But at 2020 it comes to iPhone. It's really awesome because the only thing we have to do is we have to get our iPhone in the near of for example, a MagSafe-compatible recharger, and it will search the location of the magnets on the back side, and it will dock there to get the nice and good power supply for the iPhone. That's really awesome. The MagSafe is a wireless technology to get power into our iPhone. Easy and awesome. And with this case, we will gain the MagSafe thing to a new level because of the HaloLock system in it. There comes so strong and awesome magnets with that case that will dock us directly to our device. There are not only recharger on the market, of course there are wallets and other case for credit cards as well to dock there on the MagSafe area. And here on the HaloLock area, it will connect there and do the job instantly. And additional, it's Air Armor clear case with an HaloLock. It's compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro. It comes with strong magnetic lock. 33 powerful magnets hold up to 1,100 grams ensuring stronger and safer lock with any MagSafe accessories. For example, you have a docking station on your car. It will hold it in position in every situation. And in the box there is an iPhone stand too. This looks really awesome. It's powerful drop protection with shock absorbing air guard corners and screen and camera protection. It raised the edges and camera guard. The camera guard for 1.5 millimeters, 0.55 millimeters. The edges of our smartphone backside 1.5 millimeters and the front panel side 1.3 millimeters. So it protects every edge and the entire surface on the backside and the front panel too, because of the 1.3 millimeters. We can dock an ESR docking station on it, and we can play while we are charging, for example. That's awesome. Protection made easier. That's awesome. This is the really nice and good designed ESR Air Armor Clear Case with HaloLock Compatibility for our iPhone 13 Pro. It's an awesome case with military-grade protection. It supports magnetic charging, jarring resistant with a hard back, and you can look really awesome through it because it comes with a clear finish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.